When you add a web link for a YouTube video to the lure, the entire video will be set to play by default, but you have the option to set specific start and end points for playback. To set these points, click Edit. You'll see blank fields for custom start and end points. Enter your desired start and end times in hours, minutes, and seconds. Note that you can change just one of these points if you want. The system will keep the default start or end point for the video if you leave it blank. Save your changes. You can review your changes by playing the video. By adjusting the start and end point, you will change the automatic playback of the video for any users who have access to it on Safari Montage. Note that the entire video is available if the user wants to view it.
The first cabinet meeting, I understand.
When played through Safari Montage, YouTube videos play in a limited view, without the comments and suggested videos that can be distracting in the classroom.